Or you lose sight of the fact that you are in a relationship with your child. Or you resort to yelling, screaming, punishments, threats, control, coercion, and other techniques. If you do, then you are a normal parent. Because it's not easy to be in a relationship with a toddler, with a preschooler, with a middle schooler or high schooler, or with anyone. You see, somehow, when we enter into this parent-child relationship, it's not the first time as parents, right? For us, this is the second time we enter into parent-child relationship. This time only we are the parent. And we bring everything with us from our past, from our childhood, into parenthood. And this is why parenting is so difficult, and it has a lot of triggers, emotional triggers. For our children, it's their first relationship. Just think about that, right? Your children didn't have any other relationships in the past. They are born into this relationship. And whatever they learn within this relationship, in this relationship, about themselves, about the world, about you, about love, giving, responsibility, trust, they're going to use it as a template for their future relationships.